Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So if you want to get tips on beauty, makeup, or if you want to watch lots of haul, then you can subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I am doing Amazon jewelry haul. I have never done a Amazon jewelry haul on my channel. So and I bought few pieces, so I thought like why not make a haul out of it. So let's begin the video without wasting any more time. Begin the haul by showing you the piece which I am wearing right now is this pearl earring. So like it came in a set, like this is the box, Jewels Galaxy. Like the quality of this earring is superb. Once I show you inside this, it comes with this kind of packaging, and inside here like cushion thing is there. So like in this you get 6 pairs of earring, in which one is a hoop earring, one is a dangler, and like 4 studs. So the price of this one is just 262 rupees, which I thought was a steal deal, because like 262 ruपीज में you are getting 6 earrings. like एक hoop मिल रहा है, एक लंबा वाला earring मिल रहा है, and 6 4 छोटे छोटे studs मिल रहे हैं that you can like wear normally office में, college में, कहीं पे भी like you guys can carry. So like let me, like this is the first earring, let me like take it out and show it to you guys. So this is what the earring looks. Closing thing is like that, like you push it inside and it will not fall off, like which I love. The quality is so amazing, like it's so sturdy, not cheap, and I have bought it some time back and I didn't create it a haul because like I recently bought other pieces. So like I have been using it for some time and it has not tarnished on me, like the shine and everything is still good. Pair of earrings in this like pack only are these like danglers, kind of like these are so pretty, like pearl thing. The quality is so amazing, like guys, even I was very surprised like when I like bought it, like such fine quality at such amazing price. How pretty it looks. And then again like it comes with other 4 studs, one triangle one small kind of like stud, and then other like it has a like thing inside it, and then one heart shape. So let me quickly like wear and show it to you guys quickly. Guys, small triangle, it looks so pretty. So next is like I know these are small, but like these comes very handy like if you don't want to wear long jewelry pieces, and the quality of these ones are so amazing, like seriously guys. Next one, like इसके अंदर एक नग भी है. This one is so pretty, like guys, 262 rupees में like I was not able to digest it and I was like मुझे तो पक्का हॉल बनाना ही है. Next one is this heart shape. Looks so cute, so pretty, I just love it. Like guys, it's like 262 rupees with 6 earrings. like इतना सस्ता तो like I don't think so हमको सरोजनी नगर में भी मिलेगा इतने सुंदर सुंदर पीसेस. like wow. Next is this chain set, like pendant set I bought from Amazon. Like price of this one was just 120 130 something like that. The prices and everything will be on the screen, and the link for every product if you want to purchase anything will be in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box and look at the pearl guys. Like a little bit close. Like I absolutely love this, like the quality is so amazing. The pearl looks so shiny. It didn't came together like once like you might be thinking that because I paired everything together, so like it is together, but it's not together. The chain was like different, separate. Another bit, quickly show you the such fine quality. The chain is of such good quality, like it moves, it's not stationary. Beautiful piece. It looks so beautiful. Product of this Amazon jewelry haul, like or Amazon earring or chain haul, is this like petite small delicate kind of chain. This is the chain. The like jeweler is WMC Jewels. Like it is also a delicate chain because like sometimes if you want to go out and you don't want to overdo things, and it's a unisex chain, so even like males can like carry it off. So like it's, and shine and everything is there. So just like wear this chain and like little of those studs which I showed you, and like you will look amazing. I just love this chain, guys. Like so shiny, like see, looks so pretty, so beautiful. Item of this haul is again a chain, is this silver chain. So like it's such a amazing purchase, guys. Like even I was surprised, like such amazing jewelry pieces were there on Amazon, and at such like fine prices and such fine quality. And the brand is Lakshmi. Again, prices and everything will be there in the description box. Heart kind of pendant, so it looks like this, and it has two chains. So pretty, like two chains are there, like it's beaded kind of chains, and like if you remove it, you guys can wear the chain simple separately without the pendants as well. And I messed it up again. Double layered chain. Guys, how pretty it is, and it's like not of cheap and flimsy quality. Like I wish you guys can touch and feel the quality of these products. Like a big surprise for me as well. Like it looks so pretty, so delicate, so amazing. Guys, another item for this Amazon jewelry haul is this chain. Like this is so pretty, can you guys see? So like it has like, and it's quite long, so like you double it and wear it. And I know I bought few chains because like I'm so much into delicate jewelry nowadays, and I didn't had any pieces like that one, so like these, so I bought like this. So what you can do, you guys must have seen me wearing this in some video as well. Like I have just worn it like this, I just wrapped it, but like if you wear properly, then this looks so pretty. Like it is like a double layer of chain. So, yeah, and the quality is very amazing, guys. Like it shines, and as I said, I have it for some time. I have been using it for some time, so like the quality, like the shine has not gone down. But I keep my jewelry, like I take care of my jewelry. Like anything I will take it, and then like I have this pack with me, then I will put it back in this, and then will put it in a small box so that it will not थोड़े टाइम के साथ it will not tarnish or anything. So like this I will keep it. I bought two studs. Like these are one pair of studs. Like it is little big than the previous one which I showed you, which came like 6 earrings. Then you can go with this one. It looks so good. The pair of stud is like these heart shaped cute little earrings. So yeah, guys, invest in these kind of earrings because like they come in very handy. Like if you don't want to put a lot, but like these kind of delicate small pieces look so beautiful, guys. मेरा दिल उल्टा हो गया. Like if I like put this in one chain, like I am sorted. I don't have to put like long earrings, but I love putting on long earrings. So I also want to see how pretty it looks. How many times I have said pretty in this video, I don't know. Guys, this is it. It was like a small haul video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And if you want to purchase anything which I showed in the haul, the links will be there in the description box. And I am planning to make a like storefront on the Amazon only, so that like where I can create the like list where you guys can check out the different products. So like I might add the link in the description box, or I might add a clip over here, so like you guys can check it out as well. And thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, take care.